So as stated in a previous video, I wanted to show you how I made my scalp shampoo out of black African soap. So stay tuned. Hello my moons and suns, Kamara here with Elon Blue Talks, where I help you to create stunning wigs through easy to follow steps, explore simple protective hairstyle options, and share tips on growing healthy, beautiful hair naturally. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button right down below to catch more videos just like this. All links in this video is going to be in the description box below. So I'm going to be in my kitchen today and I am going to be cooking up this amazing concoction of shampoo. I am using a Just Date syrup bottle that I have, and I've just been repurposing it for different reasons. I have a few of them because I like Just Date syrup as a sweetener substitute to like your typical sugar or honey. The first thing I am going to do is I'm going to grate the black African soap so that it's much easier to put it inside of the bottle. The bottle does have a slightly narrow opening, so it will be helpful to grate the soap. Plus, just dissolving in general will be much easier if you go ahead and just grate it. So I am using a grater and I'm going to grate just a little bit of the soap. Now, a little bit of black African soap goes a long way, so you don't have to use a whole bunch. I'm using about, what is that? 1/4 of a cup maybe? That amount will fill up the bottle about halfway. So just know you're putting in about half a bottle size of black African soap grated. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right into the bottle. Again, grating it is going to make it a lot easier for so many different reasons. One, it makes it super easy to just put it right into the bottle. It makes it much easier for measuring as well. And it's going to make the dissolving much easier. So if you don't have a grater, I would highly suggest maybe getting one or just finding another way to grate it. But definitely grating it up is going to be helpful. Cleanup is going to be a breeze since literally you're using soap, you're grating soap. So just add a little water to your cutting board and it's practically clean. Scrub it a little bit and it's practically clean. I have water right here on the side and I'm gonna put a little bit of that water right into the bottle. Again, it's pretty much half and half. Half of the bottle was filled with the African soap and the rest of the bottle is going to be filled up with water. Now I didn't go all the way to the top because I will also be adding some essential oils. And it's really interesting because literally that's how the Just Date syrup looks when you get it. I mean, well, without the graininess of it, but the color is just that. So it looks exactly like how the bottle would have come originally, kind of, you know. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and put in some essential oils. The first drops of essential oil I am going to be putting into my shampoo is eucalyptus, which has an amazing fragrance and aroma. I am also going to be using a few drops of peppermint. Peppermint is great for stimulating the scalp and getting some of that blood flow going to help encourage growth. Plus, you know, a little tingle always makes your scalp feel really clean. I am going to be using a few drops of thyme as well. Not only do I love to cook with thyme, I love the smell of it. I don't want to put a whole lot of thyme in there because it definitely has its own little fragrance. So I just put maybe like 2 drops of that in there. I'm going to put a few drops of rose in there to lighten things up a bit, give it a nice, sweet, feminine kind of smell, so that I feel like not all earthy, not too earthy, but a little bit of a sweetness. And yeah, I'm going to close it up now, give it a little bit of a shake. Again, the black African soap is going to need to dissolve a bit, so I'm going to let it sit for a little while before actually using it. Because it is grated, it shouldn't take long at all to dissolve, maybe max an hour maybe. So yeah, so it'll be ready to use very, very shortly. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. That is how I make my Just Date Syrup Black African Soap Shampoo. But yeah, that's how I do that, and I love it. I love it. I probably won't be buying any shampoo for a while now, unless it is one of the co-washing shampoo, but not your typical shampoo anytime soon. So yeah, that is how I create my Black African shampoo, and I love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a try. If you are interested, please do comment down below if you have any questions. If you do give it a try, please tell me how you did yours and what essential oils you placed in yours. Take care, guys, and thank you for watching. Peace.